Hey guys, welcome to Daily Homemaking. We have some homemaking videos we're going to share with you today. Let's get straight into today's video. So I'm showing you the setup of our living room and where we bought everything from. So I was on the hunt for a gray carpet, but then I couldn't find the exact one I was looking for. But then I found this darling looking carpet at HomeGoods and it was priced right. It was only $2.99. Let's say it again, it was $299. And you just couldn't beat that. I found these modernized coffee tables from a discount furniture store for only $25 a piece. And then these corals, I got them from HomeGoods again, and they were approximately about $12 a piece. Next following day, again, I went to my favorite store, HomeGoods, and I was on a hunt for other things to accent decor my home. And then I came across my armchairs. Oh my God, they were just so perfect. That was exactly what I was looking for. A few days later, I went to Ashley's Furniture and found the perfect sofa to match the armchairs. I found this amazing looking clock at Hobby Lobby. When I first bought this clock, I thought, where am I going to stick this thing? But then I realized above my window was perfect. Then I realized I don't really like that drape rod underneath it. So I figured, let me buy 2 little drape rods and put them on the sides and put this clock in the center. And it just came out perfect, I think. Now that I had all my drapery up and my clock up, then I realized I needed to hang this painting finally. By the way, I did buy this painting on Amazon, and I'll go ahead and have the link down below. This painting was just perfect. It went so perfectly with the colors of my living room. I just loved it. Feels so refreshing. I got some accent decor pillows from, again, HomeGoods. And by the way, this TV is just temporarily sitting here until our family room fireplace wall and our entertainment system is going to be set up soon. So that's when that TV is going to be hanging on that wall. And that's pretty much it. So I got these darling looking picture frames from HomeGoods the other day. And this one was $9.99. This was $9.99. And this one was $14.99. And I really like this one because the way it works is you just detach it. It's magnetic. You put your picture in, and then you put it back, and it's magnetic, and I love it. And yes, it was totally worth it. I love it. I got a perfect place for this. Of course, I'm going to swap it out with my kids, but these kids are adorable too. All right, let's put these here. Oh, so cute. And this gorgeous little guy. Oh, and I also got these from HomeGoods. That little ship. And family and friends gather here all the time. Oh, adorable. That's it for today. We'll be back with more homemaking videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.